Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Mercury, or D. Venus? The answer is D. Venus.
Despite being second from the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures soaring to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit 475 degrees Celsius. This scorching heat is due to a runaway greenhouse effect caused by its thick atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid.
Question 2. What is the name of the fibrous mineral formerly used to make fireproof articles? Is it A. Asbestos, B. Reinforced concrete, C. Carbon fiber, or D. Fiberglass? The answer is A. Asbestos.
Asbestos, once hailed as a miracle mineral for its fire-resistant properties, was used in everything from theater curtains to astronaut suits. However, its microscopic fibers can cause severe lung diseases. The ancient Greeks named it asbestos, meaning inextinguishable, unaware of the health risks that would later lead to its decline.
Question 3. What is a male guinea pig known as? Is it A. a boar, B. a tom, C. a ram, or D. a drake? The answer is A. a boar.
A male guinea pig is called a boar, a term they share with male pigs, despite their small size and rodent lineage. These charming creatures are known for their vocalizations, including purring when content. Boars often display dominance through playful nudges and can form strong bonds with their human companions.
Question 4. What part of the body is the medical field of phlebology concerned with? Is it A. veins, B. liver, C. skin, or D. hair? The answer is A. veins.
Phlebology, the study of veins, delves into the intricate network that carries deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Fascinatingly, if all your veins were laid end to end, they would stretch over 60,000 miles, enough to circle Earth more than twice. This field addresses conditions like varicose veins and deep vein thrombosis.
Question 5. What muscle is joined by the lingual nerve to the brain? Is it A. buccinator, B. platysma, C. epicranius, or D. tongue? The answer is D. tongue.
The tongue is a muscular marvel, not just for its role in tasting and speaking but also for its incredible agility. It's the only muscle in the body that works without any support from the skeleton, making it both unique and essential. The lingual nerve connects it to the brain, facilitating taste sensation and movement coordination.
Question 6. What is a baby zebra known as? Is it A. a foal, B. a pharaoh, C. a calf, or D. a nymph? The answer is A. a foal.
A baby zebra, known as a foal, is born with brown and white stripes that darken to black as they mature. These unique patterns are like fingerprints. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Foals can run within an hour of birth, a crucial skill for escaping predators in the wild.
Question 7. What is the boiling point of water in Farenheit? Is it A. 100, B. 32, C. 212, or D. 169? The answer is C. 212.
At 212 degrees Fahrenheit, water reaches its boiling point, transforming from liquid to gas. This temperature is crucial for cooking and brewing processes. Interestingly, at higher altitudes, the boiling point decreases due to lower atmospheric pressure. For example, in Denver, nicknamed the Mile High City, water boils at approximately 202 degrees Fahrenheit.
Question 8. Which color has highest wavelength in the visible spectrum? Is it A. blue, B. red, C. purple, or D. yellow? The answer is B. red.
Red, the color with the highest wavelength in the visible spectrum, is often associated with passion and danger. Its long wavelength allows it to travel further through Earth's atmosphere, which is why sunsets appear red. This phenomenon also explains why red lights are used for stop signs and signals. They're hard to miss.
As we orbit away from today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the true force of gravity. Keep exploring and stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.